Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today we're taking a first look at Apple's brand new MacBook Neo in the citrus color. We're going to go over what comes in the box, the ports, the keyboard, and who this MacBook is actually for. So if you're thinking about buying the new MacBook Neo, this video will show you exactly what to expect. Let's get started. So a quick look at the box. The first thing you're going to notice is the simplistic design you're used to with Apple products, but you will see the MacBook Neo, and it'll be in the color that you decide to purchase. Once again, this is the citrus color. So let's open it up and I'll show you what is inside. And there it is. Right off the bat, you're greeted with the MacBook Neo. And for me, I'll be seeing the gray, space gray, or black. This is nice to see a color, and a color that pops, in my opinion, right there. We'll put it to the side, and we'll take a look at some of the accessories you get as well. You get the charging cable, the power adapter, and documentation. Unfortunately, no Apple stickers. I was hoping maybe we would get color-coordinated stickers. Now, the charger that comes with it is a 20-watt USB-C power adapter. Should be good enough, but if you're looking for something a little bit faster, I'll link some faster Apple charging power bricks that you can pick up that I like to use in the video description. But let's go back around and take a look at the MacBook itself. This one, like I said, is the citrus color, but Apple actually released the MacBook Neo in 4 colors. So you have citrus, silver, indigo, and blush. Opening it up, it still works with just one finger. You'll see the Magic Keyboard and the large multi-touch trackpad. One thing you'll notice is that the keyboard is color matched to the body of the laptop, which is a nice touch. The trackpad is still the large glass trackpad Apple is known for, so the gestures and navigation feel really smooth. And this is actually a physical trackpad, so it's not haptic feedback that you're feeling, you're actually clicking when you press on the trackpad. Up top, you get the 13-inch Liquid Retina display. It has a resolution of 2408 by 1506 and supports over 1 billion colors, which makes photos, videos, and text look really sharp. The display can reach around 500 nits of brightness, so it should be bright enough for most environments. It's definitely a nice screen for everyday use like browsing, streaming, and schoolwork. Now, as for the ports, on the side, you get 2 USB-C ports, which can be used for charging or connecting accessories or external displays. You also get a headphone jack, which is great if you still use wired headphones. The one thing this MacBook doesn't include is things like Thunderbolt or MagSafe, which is probably what is helping to keep this price down. Inside the MacBook Neo is Apple's A18 Pro chip, which is actually the same type of chip used in recent iPhones. That means it's designed to be very efficient and still fast for everyday tasks. So things like web browsing, email, streaming, documents, and spreadsheets should run really smoothly. But this isn't really meant for heavy professional work like video editing or large creative projects. Above the screen, you get a 1080p FaceTime HD camera, which is great for video calls. And the MacBook Neo also has dual side firing speakers with spatial audio. So movies and videos sound surprisingly good for a laptop this size. Battery life is another highlight. Apple says the MacBook Neo can get up to around 16 hours of use on a single charge, which is excellent for a laptop at this price and should easily last a full school or work day. So who is the MacBook Neo actually for? This MacBook is really designed for people who want a simple, affordable Mac that includes students, everyday users, people switching from a Chromebook or Windows laptop, people who mainly browse the web and use apps like Safari, Pages, Mail. It's basically Apple's entry-level MacBook. Now, in terms of my first impressions, it's that it's a really interesting laptop. You're getting a real MacBook with Mac OS, a solid build quality, a great screen, and long battery life, but at a much lower price than most other MacBooks. Of course, there are some trade-offs, like the fewer ports and less power than the MacBook Air, but for everyday use, this could be a great option. So that's the MacBook Neo unboxing and first look. If you want to learn more about the MacBook Neo, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting videos on MacBook Neo tips and tricks, the MacBook Neo setup, the MacBook Neo trackpad, and all the things you can do with it. But as always, there's a full link to the MacBook tips, tricks, and tutorial series in the video description. So if you want to check that out, click the link and get the most out of your MacBook. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell notification box to be notified when I post new videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I'm happy to help you out. I'm actually interested to know if any of you are planning to get the new MacBook Neo, and if you are, what color are you choosing? Let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.